Thank you for the kudos from the weekend edition. Now let's get on with Monday's edition. And here we are, Monday's edition. The market's come crashing down. Dow down 3.5%. Gang, that is big. NASDAQ down 3.9%, almost 4%. S&P did drop more than 4%, and the Russell's down 5.6%. That is ginormous, huge, big drops in the markets. Very few times in your life in a normal market will you ever see indices dropping this much. And the VIX spikes back up, not over the 40 mark, but we did go up 16%. And as we were saying, that rising wedges are bearish formations, and once they crack, the bears are in control, and we should get some continuation to the downside. And I do expect that. Usually on a big drop like this, it wouldn't surprise me to get a little update tomorrow. We do have support at the rising 20-day moving average. We should come right down here, find some support at 819 or 820, about 820. And then down here, certainly around the 815, 813, about 813 area. You're going to find some support down here in these areas. But I see us getting down there really fast and maybe even below it. Tomorrow could be a significant bloodbath, or we'll have a small up day. I don't see anything between. It should be one or the others. And we should rock the overseas markets when they see how big of a drop that we took here. So let's see how that pans out. And thank you, everybody, for the, man, a lot of posts come in over the weekend edition showing the power of rising wedges. And in the people that do go to free trading videos and you click on Chart School and look at those formations, they are very powerful and they hold a lot of weight. They make us money. Like right now, I'm in SDS. Let me show it to you. Full disclosure here. We had what's called a falling wedge on the SDS. Let me draw this here. And I'm drawing this very, very rough just because, just for time's sakes. But see how we popped up through there? Usually I like to see a little more volume. Volume's not overly impressive on this pop. So I want to see some more upward motion here. So I do have SDS, which is a bear ETF. You can go to proshares.com and click on products, and you'll get a full list of these. But I'm in SDS. I also have dry ships. This was something that I had entered on Friday. Let me show it to you. This is what I saw. See, right here we popped over that trend line that I have. Support, broke support, then acted as resistance. Then we come crashing back to that, and also these swing highs right there. When we got past that, boom, on big volume, I had entered the trade. Today I'm underwater on it just a little bit, and but I'm still in the trade. But I have stop losses, so if we do continue down and get below this line, I want out of the trade. But I want to see this keep going. And here's a trade I normally don't take, but feed, because it's so small in price. I don't mess around with little low price stocks, you know, $100 or $10 or higher. I prefer ones over $100 because they're in favor with the markets. You can get big moves on them. But here we have, see this run that we have here? Boom! Look at the volume. Great. You got a little nice bull pullback. Didn't come to, I mean, it didn't really take off, making higher swing highs. So we kind of base sideways. And then we come over here and bow. We come shooting straight back up on big volume. We go up another, you know, on big volume, and then we doji out, or what's called a spinning top formation. And then we do a little pullback. But the pullback really didn't drop like this. This is a nice pullback. This one just stayed up there. So you got a high base. Today we went way down and then tested the lows, came screaming right back, and then closed right at the day's high or near it on big volume. So I've added to my position today on feed. We have some resistance to get through, but I'd like to see this thing just keep challenging this upper trend line, or just pop all the way through it. So I do have a couple longs going, but I'm well protected with the SDS. And you can also, if you want a lot of bang for your buck, the TZA. The TZA is a 3 times bear ETF. So this dude, if the markets start to crash, this one can really go up. And so it's one to look at. The inverse of that would be the TNA. And here the market, this thing is crashing. It's 3 times, what the markets are doing. So there you have it. And I want to welcome, or at least offer, whatever word you want to use there, but Facebook. How many Facebook junkies do we have out there? I happen to be one. And if you go to your Facebook, just up there where in your field where it says search, just search for free trading videos. We have over 100 people that's found us on Facebook, and I'm opening it up to you also. So if you're a Facebook junkie and you want to be a part of our team, grassroots level here at freetradingvideos.com, just go to Facebook, go to find or search, and search for free trading videos, and you will find us and be a part of our group. We'll be sending out important emails, and we like to go on there and chat around. So anyway, it's a nice group of people. So there you have it. Thank you for being a part of Free Trading Videos, and thank you for being so kind with your emails and comments that you send to each one of the analysts. We do appreciate it, and we look forward to serving you from this point forward.